Hey beauties, I'm back with another video, and in today's video we're going to be talking a little bit about transitioning. So whether you're thinking about starting your natural hair journey or you just recently started and you're not quite sure where to start or how to start, I'm going to go ahead and give you guys some great tips so you can embark on your journey to beautiful healthy curls. Also going to be sharing a little bit about my own transitioning journey with embarrassing before and after pictures, you guys. I know we all go through that awkward phase. Believe me, it's okay, but I definitely wish I knew how to do a lot of the hairstyles I know how to do now back in the day, because sis, when I tell you the struggle was real, the struggle was real. Also going to be partnering up with Curlsmith to go ahead and tell you guys all about their newest curl transitioning kit. So this is going to help take a lot of the guesswork out of your transitioning journey. Definitely wish something like this was available back in my day as well, because sis, when I tell you I was struggling, But I hope you guys learn a lot from this video. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, beauties, the new Curlsmith Transition Kit is here to help you kickstart your journey to healthy curls in 2020. The kit includes their Curl Quenching Conditioning Wash, Double Cream Deep Quencher, Hold Me Softly Style Balm, and their In-Shower Style Fixer. So this all-in-one curl transitioning kit contains products you need to establish a healthy hair regimen so you can gently cleanse, moisturize, and style your curls. Like I said, I definitely wish a kit like this was available back when I first started transitioning, because I can't even begin to tell you how many different products I tried and how long it took me to establish a healthy hair regimen, because I was just so clueless and had trouble figuring out what kind of products I needed to use to care and style for my hair. So since I had no idea what to do with my hair, after I did my first big chop, I basically just kind of rocked a fake ponytail for a couple of years as I let my hair grow out and continued to just gradually cut off the remainder of my damaged ends. The ponytail did save me from having to really deal with two different textures, but it also did kind of limit me in styling, because again, I just didn't know how to do a lot of the styles that I could do now that you could do on transitioning hair to help blend both textures together. So definitely going to show you beauties how to do one of those styles today on your transitioning hair to help you out with that. So since I was recovering from heat damage, I kind of limited my use of heat styling. It would typically only straighten my hair 1 to 2 times a year to get it trimmed. And eventually, I just kind of gave up heat for an extended period of time altogether. So through my journey, there was a lot of trial and error when it came to establishing a regimen that I felt worked best for my curls. But once I figured it out, I saw my curls flourish and was able to achieve the beautiful, long, healthy hair that I always wanted. So of course, I'll share with you beauties a regimen I feel works great for all textures. So starting off with cleansing, I found that it's best to limit the amount of time you wash your hair. So I went from washing my hair every day to now only washing it once a week. Apply the Curlsmith Curl Quenching Conditioning Wash to wet hair. So this product will not only gently remove dirt and buildup, but also condition your hair. The product, just like the rest of the Curlsmith line, is made with clean, natural ingredients and are free of sulfates, parabens, phthalates, silicones, DEA, mineral oils, and of course are vegan and cruelty-free. After you cleanse and rinse your hair, you'll follow up with the Double Cream Deep Quencher. So I found that deep conditioning was a vital part in a healthy hair regimen. And believe me when I tell you, it made all the difference in the world once I started incorporating deep conditioning into my routine. You should aim to deep condition regularly after you cleanse. So once a week would be an ideal routine for you beauties to follow. Let me just add, you guys, that this deep conditioner is the Balm.com. Seriously, one of my favorites. You can just let it sit in your hair for 10 to 15 minutes or 30 minutes if you want a deep moisturizing treatment, and let it work its magic, and then you rinse. So after you cleanse and condition your hair, you want to focus on incorporating a lot of protective styles into your regimen. And of course, if you're transitioning, you want to focus on styles that will help blend different textures from your damaged and healthy hair together, such as twist outs, braid outs, roller sets, and rod sets. So today I'm going to show you how to do a 3-strand twist out. Grab a medium section of hair and dampen it a bit with a spray bottle. Next, apply the Curlsmith Hold Me Softly Style Balm to the section. So moisture is a vital part in a healthy hair regimen, and this product in the kit is going to help keep your hair moisturized. It does have soft hold, so you can follow up with the In-Shower Style Fixer to give your style more hold so that it lasts longer. So protective styles are styles that are going to require little to no manipulation after setting, so ensuring your styles last a few days is going to help prevent breakage that can be caused by damage and stress to your strands from over manipulating your hair by styling it daily. Brush and smooth the section, then split that section into 3 equal pieces. Start by weaving the hair like you would a normal braid about 2 to 3 times at the roots. Then you take one of the strands from the outer sections and cross it over the other 2 to initiate your 3-strand twist. I typically like taking whatever strand is in my right hand and cross it over the other two. Repeating the phrase right hand over two can help you memorize the movement, and then you just continue the same process all the way down until you reach your ends. So I know the movement might feel a little awkward at first because you might be used to just braiding your hair, but just keep repeating the phrase right hand over two, and it'll just become second nature. So once you reach your ends, and if you notice one of the strands is a little thinner than the other two pieces, you can just combine it with one of the other sections and continue doing a regular 2-strand twist until you reach the ends. To hold your ends in place, you can apply a little bit of product and create a little coil if your hair has elasticity. But if you're transitioning, you may have to wrap your ends around a small perm rod to curl them and keep the twist from unraveling. So just repeat those same steps all throughout your hair until you finish, and make sure your hair fully dries before you begin to unravel the twist. You can create as many twists as you'd like. The bigger the sections, the bigger the curls, and vice versa. So I personally created 12 twists and let my hair air dry. Apply a little bit of oil to your hands to separate the twist, and you can gently pull the strands apart or twist your hair in the opposite direction to loosen the twist up and unravel them. Gently pull apart the strands to reveal some heatless curls. So your hair should have more of a uniformed texture now that you set it to resemble one curly texture. Then you can just separate the curls individually where they naturally want to separate to create more volume for a fuller look. So one thing I love about twist outs, especially a 3-strand twist out, is that the definition somewhat resembles a wash and go because the curls tend to look like a natural spiral curl. This is considered a stretch style, so it reduces a lot of tangling, and again, the style will last a couple of days so you don't have to brush your hair and can reduce manipulating it. The Curlsmith products left my curls feeling extremely hydrated, defined, and with the perfect amount of hold that I kid you not when I say this style lasted me an entire week without me having to do absolutely nothing to it, and it still looked amazing, sis. I loved it. Comment below and let me know how far along you are on your natural hair journey and what are some things that you struggle with. Also, let me know if you've ever tried any Curlsmith products and let me know which one is your favorite. Be sure to check the description box for more details on the new Curlsmith Transition Kit, along with where you can purchase the Curl Transitioning Kit. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up so more people can find it, and be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and follow me on Instagram at naturallychia. Thanks for watching.